Next we will start to lay out all of our pieces. All of your papers should be off of your Unit A and your Unit B, and we're going to lay them out. And if you look on page 9 of the instructions, so page 9 and 10, we're going to be following those diagrams for our piecing. But there's a few things I wanted to tell you about first. I've zoomed into illustration number 1, the layout. But the first thing we're going to do is lay out the diamond pieces according to this diagram. And there's a picture in the lesson of my layout, and you can sort of see how I did that on the design wall. And so lay those out first. Then next we will put in our background pieces, which are these on the outside here. These are the T-templates CLs and CRs, and they're the 6 different templates, left and right of each template. If you'll notice this grain line across the top, or any of these, they all have grain lines, even these odd-shaped ones. These grain lines are going to go along the outside of the layout. I'll show you what I mean about these grain lines. Here are the grain lines across this line, and if you mark lines like this along the tops or along the outside edges of these will be the grain lines that you're matching up. So here is the little triangle, and we'll get this one, this little triangle, and that little triangle is this. Here are the 2 that go there, and you'll see that these have the grain lines going across, and which are the same as these grain lines going across here. It's this area right here. And if you remember that with all of these pieces, this grain line, this will be across the outside edge. So if you put something like this, and this is the outside edge, you know that won't fit. Just make sure these grain lines go all across the outside edge. And you could just draw your lines along all the outside edge here just to help you understand when you're laying them out. And I just took one at a time and laid them all out. I just took my time to do it. So that should help you. All these are the grain lines.